IQON Lab project side protector installation. My name is Dr. Zoltán Marga. Today is 2023, April 28th, Central European Time, 1842. In this experiment, I'm going to investigate how to install a side protector on a carbon boot with Professor Umberto Di Tria. First step, as always, preparation and protection.
So today in the lab we're gonna make the modification of the AG10. We're gonna install the side protector by removing the aggressive plate.
Using the screws included in the package. To install the side protector with these, you need to follow the steps we are showing you. First, you need to remove the sole plate. Once you found the desired position, make sure you're marking the holes where you're going to drill.
So next step, before taking off the liner from inside, making sure that the tools you're gonna use for make the hole is slightly bigger than the thread. You're gonna insert 5.5 millimeter threads, and you should use a 6 millimeter tool to make the hole. So we have it here, the 6 millimeter, and a smaller one that we're gonna use as guide for the second tool, which is bigger. So we're gonna go accurate first and then the right dimension.
Before you put the side protector on, we highly recommend that you put the receiver under and make the screws tight so the receiver is sitting properly inside the boot. Once that's done, we just put the side protector in place, screws in, and make it tight. Side protector is on.
The second way we recommend to use is the modeling glue. So the aspect of the modeling glue is single packaging like this, and once you take it off, it's look like simple clay, and you have about 24 hours before the product gets dry and gets rock hard, so the protector is in place. You can even make a small decoration, so you can take your hexagon tool and simulate the screw on the top of it, or your Phillips, but then it's easier to place. It's really strong, so if you hit it, it stays in a position. As well, you can place the cup protector that you can easily download from our website. We have the download area where you can find 3D part for the skate. You can find the wax cast, and you can find the instruction for the A-top system.
This lower position of the protector is favoring more the free skate setup. If you want to put the sole plates back, then we are recommending putting the protector a bit higher. Thanks to Professor, the experiment proved that both ways are working really well and proved. Let's go skating.